Hello everyone, all the car maniacs, classic car maniacs I should say. Yeah, today I'm gonna repair something that I couldn't watch anymore and I was waiting 2 years to repair it, you know. I tried a couple of times but I couldn't. So what I mean is I'll be repairing a faulty screen of the clock. Yeah, this one is faulty. I have another spare clocks that that's the exactly clock, that's the screen, but he's faulty as well. So I'll be repairing this one and this one. So here we have a clocks out. We have to go down there. So we have to unscrew a whole place to pull them out. So a couple of them screws all around them. Here, this one, you need a kind of small vice grips, you know, to remove it, yes. Our clock here, that's our clock here. So we have to take them off, treat them. That's our clock here. You see it? Yeah. Screen is all damaged, yeah. At the back, there's two small screws holding this frame. This was that way, yes? Remember, you see this one? On the screen there's like a nose here. This way is easier. My fingers are huge. And that's it. That's what we have here. And that's the another one. See, two of them here. Okay, so we have all our clocks. And here it is, my clocks fitted. They're working fine. clock. It's perfect. I switch off all the lights maybe 2 seconds. As you see, I switch off the handbrake. Everything works perfect. Everything. Yeah. Thanks for watching now, yes. I'm going home. It's time to work.